Hello third grade, I'm just going to make a quick video for the calendar observation. We started this at school, so for the first couple observations, so first, second, third, and fourth, on the sheet that you have, they are already filled out. You'll see the consistent pattern of the colors pattern, so blue, green, green, purple, blue, green, green, purple, and that will continue throughout the whole month of November. The height and the width, you're looking at the shape for the day. Like today, as I'm recording this, today is Tuesday the 10th, and you're gonna look at the height, how many boxes high, so in this case it's 1, and then across the width is 4. And let me spin this around. Here's an example of what the dimensions would be. So if you had this as the example for the day, the height would be 3, and the width would be 5. On your sheet, you say on the top of the cover page, it talks about the dimensions of the shape and also factors. So there's a lot of common terms for these. So the dimensions are 3 and 5. The width is 5, the height is 3. When you turn it into a equation, 3 times 5, then those numbers change and they're called factors. So they're factors of a multiplication problem. And in the total, this would be called the area, or the answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. So with geometry, there's so many vocabulary words that kind of could confuse kids often. So that's why on the sheet, I put on the top of the page some of those vocabulary terms. So what I'm going to do is we're going to look at number 9, and we're going to work on a couple of these together. So if I come over to 9 here, you can see that there's 3 objects high, or 3 boxes high, 3 squares high, and then 3 across. So on your sheet, let's see, trying to operate this. There we go. So if we look at number 9, that's Monday, that's yesterday if you're watching the video today. So this would be the same color pattern. So again, we're talking about being blue. And this object over here that we looked at was 3 high and 3 wide. So then in order to find the area of that, so how many are shaded blue, you would do 3 times 3. Another equation you could use if you're still working on multiplication would be 3 plus 3 plus 3. The area would be 9 square units. And then just like the other blue shapes, we've noticed that they are square numbers. And so far, we're only putting an observation for the blue shapes. In later weeks, we're going to find out what the pattern is with green. Next one we're going to do together, we're just going to do one more together. If you look at number 10, so that's Tuesday the 10th. It's 1 high and then 4 across, with a total of 4 shaded green. So we're going to come over to our observation sheet. On the 10th, it's green. And the object was a height of 1, width of 4. Our equation to figure out what the area would be, 1 times 4. And it's 4 square units, or 4 square. And then we're going to leave that blank for now. We'll come back to that once we identify the pattern. So if you want to look at these and then pause the video. So far we have 9. We did this together. We did 10, so at any point you can pause the video if you want to get a closer look at it. Then we have 11, so this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, Friday the 13th, Saturday the 14th of November, and the last day for this week is the 15th. Again, it follows that same pattern color. If you would like to on your sheet, you can just continue that pattern all the way through November 30th, if you like to do that.